Mr. Vipul Kumar Maheshwari, Executive Director R&D, HPCL.
Good morning, Ji.
Would you talk about what are the new activities that you are doing at HPCL Green R&D Center in Bangalore?
We are carrying out right now in the existing business area, refinery and marketing, all the research activities which are going on for a efficiency improvement point of view, net zero reduction and process intensification point of view we are working out. And also we are working on the new energy areas like battery, electrolyzer, SAF, sustainable aviation fuel, biodiesel technology development, all these areas where the new sustainable future is concerned, these areas we are developing, we are working on. We have already developed technology for CBG, compressed biogas, and we have also developed the technology on the 2G ethanol, which is there on the display. You can also just have a look on that. These are the areas which you are working on.
Would you talk about green hydrogen and what are the new catalysts that you are working on?
Yeah. Green hydrogen, we are right now, we have two technologies which we are working and we have already developed. One is HCNG. It is a mix of CNG along with hydrogen, something like 18%. This is a very novel technology where the methane, natural gas, methane we split into two parts. One is hydrogen as well as carbon. And this carbon is nothing but CNT, the carbon nanotube, which is a value-added product. And this hydrogen is getting generated without any water consumption, without any CO2 generation. So in a nutshell, this is a net zero. If we are powering with the solar power, this is a net zero technology. And in case we are using CBG as a gas, compressed biogas as a feedstock to this becomes carbon negative technology, which is going to be. We have a plans to put such plants in our various petrol stations where the CNG dispensation is taking place. So, and apart from that, we are also working on our electrolyzer technology. As you know, electrolyzer right now we have working with BRC, along with BRC in a collaborative project. But we are having a plans to develop our own electrolyzer of 10 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt level on a demo scale, which includes the cost reduction and the energy efficiency. We yet to believe at the current level what is going on, it is not going to be cost effective. So our focus is mainly, before we come up with a mega scale electrolyzer, our emphasis is on cost reduction and efficiency, electricity consumption reduction on hydrogen. That's our focus area in the green hydrogen business.
So in 2024, what are new things that you are working, sir?
In 24, we are working on, you should be able to see some batteries, energy storage. We are focusing on lithium, sodium ion batteries, which is not being done. As you are all aware that lithium ion batteries are going to have challenges in future because a lot of the things, geographical pressure, geopolitical pressures will come on lithium availability. So we are focusing on sodium ion battery, and right now we have put for your display one small sodium ion battery which is fully developed by us, and it is first of its own kind in India where sodium is the raw material for our battery system. So this is one area.
And are you also doing some indigenization for your new petrochemical plant which is coming up?
The petrochemical, right now we are indigenization of the catalyst and chemicals. Right, most of the focus is on energy efficiency improvement from the refinery, because going forward such a mega scale transition cannot happen without energy improvement, energy efficiency improvement. We are working on all areas of our refinery and forthcoming petrochemical plants wherever there is a possibility of energy efficiency improvement. Less fuel you consume, less is going to be CO2 emission, and we are going to indirectly get this thing. All the catalysts which we are developing, FCCU catalysts we are developing, hydrotreating catalysts we are developing, and now we have started working on Jigalanata catalysts for our petrochemical plants also. That's all which is going on.
And one last question, sir, with respect to net carbon zero and sustainability, any new R&D activity that is going on to achieve your net carbon zero?
I see net zero achievement is possible in 3 steps. One is, first and foremost, our refineries and the consumers have to increase the efficiency improvement, which I have told earlier, because that becomes a large scale of the energy CO2 which is getting consumed. We are developing additives. We are developing in the entire refinery and petrochemical complex wherever there is the possibility of energy loss. We are trying to provide a solution for that. If there is a heat exchanger is fouled up, it is the energy is going wasted. If there is a furnace which is fouled up, energy is getting wasted. We have developed permanent solutions for those things. By chemical injections, we will be able to take care. These type of, and along with that, we have refinery off gas PSA, which we have developed our own technology, which is also we are for extracting hydrogen out of refinery off gas. These type of initiatives which overall bring together total energy consumption from the refinery. Apart from that, for this, we are focusing on CBG, compressed biogas. We have fully developed technology. We are putting up our own plant. And a new concept which we are bringing in is an integrated biorefinery concept, where, like where there is a refinery and petrochemical complex are there. We are developing a concept of integrated biorefinery, which will be having CBG, which will be having 2G ethanol plant, and which we have a capability of producing biochemicals also. So this is one of such plant we are putting up, and technology development on that front which is going on. Right now, apart from these areas, one HCNG which I have already told you, and the battery production, battery development which is already taking place.
When do you see that integrated plant coming into picture, where CBG, bioethanol, and biochemicals come into picture?
Yeah, this plant is at a design stage right now. We have a demonstration unit available at our R&D center, and this is a scale up is being carried out. We should be able to see it in the coming few years.
So this is the first of its kind in India?
Yeah, this is a combined one, will be first in of kind in India.